chunky face, long tail, juicy thighs. Now this is unusual. What we're looking at is a paradox frog. What's going on here? Well, this is a paradox frog tadpole. Eventually it grows into one of these, an adult, but in between it becomes this, what scientists refer to as a froglet, half tadpole, half adult, stuck in the middle of metamorphosis. And quite honestly, horrifying. I don't like it. I don't know. I don't like it. Do you like it? This is a two-headed snake, and it's causing me a problem. My friend thinks this is one snake with two heads, but I think it's two snakes that share a body. Who is right? Because every individual animal in this collection gets a number to catalog it. The question is, should this get one number or two? What do you think? Is this one snake or is it two snakes? This is a sloth. How many toes do you think it has? Because sloths either have two or three. What's your guess? It's three. Did you get it right? This is a skull from a marlin, a giant predatory. Wait, what's this? What is this? See this strange ball in its eye? This is called a scleral ring. It's an eye bone. Notice how it's the perfect shape to fit inside an eyeball. It supports the eye from the intense water pressure it experiences while the marlin swims in the ocean. So marlins have bones in their eyeballs. This is a horn shark, and this is a horn shark egg. What a strange shape. It's all screwy. These ridges form a corkscrew around the egg. Why? Well, a female horn shark would wedge this egg into a rocky nook. Those ridges would root the egg in place, like a screw in a piece of wood. Strong currents and waves couldn't sweep it away. It would stay in place, protected, all because of its screwy shape. Makes you wonder what else you could screw it into. This is a seahorse, but why does it look so strange? Watch closely. The seahorse's flesh has been removed. Then it was soaked in red dye to stain its bones. But why? Well, this is a dyed specimen. Scientists use dyed specimens to reveal hidden structures inside delicate objects, like in this seahorse. It's made up of a bunch of rectangular plates that fit together to form its body shape. This is the saw from a sawfish, but what part of the fish is it? I thought it was part of their mouth, but I was wrong. This smaller sawfish will help us answer our question. See that small, dark spot? That's one of the sawfish's eyes. And when we rotate it, look closely. You see that slit? That small, dark line? That's the sawfish's actual mouth. The saw itself is in the middle, in the nose area. So a sawfish's saw is kind of like a long, toothy nose. More importantly, if you had a nose like a sawfish, this is what it would look like. This is a mistake. I've got a tank full of 1,500 blood-sucking fish. They're called sea lampreys, and usually they're much bigger with huge mouths full of teeth. These are small. I thought it'd be fine if I got 1,500. I was wrong. It's not fine. It's too much sea lamprey. Does anyone need sea lamprey? I have plenty for everyone. Let me know. This is a stingray. I've always wondered how a stingray stings. Well, if you look at the bottom, you'll see a long tail. I thought this was a stinger, but I was wrong. Because look here, if I move the tail to the side, see that small barb? This is the stinger. Here's what it looks like removed from the stingray. Look closely at the edge. It's sharp and serrated and can easily cut into flesh. And here's the important part. See those two grooves in the middle of the stinger? Those grooves hold special cells that secrete venom into the flesh of the stingray's victims. And that's how a stingray stings. This is a bowfin fish. Their teeth are incredible. Look at the bowfin's upper jaw. Now it looks like those teeth are in neat little rows, right? Well, when I rotate the fish, what do you see? There's a whole patch of teeth waiting inside the mouth. Fish don't always have teeth in neat little rows like humans. They can have patches of tons of teeth, like the bowfin.